Welcome to Mespiration. This is the how to record your script tutorial that will walk you through the process of recording your personal script. We're going to create a short sample message to take into the recording studio in order to show you how easy it is to record your Mespiration. To get started, I'm going to click on Create Message and type Sample Message here. Then click Continue. I'm going to add 2 positive affirmations under the self category. I'll pick this one and this one. And I'm going to pick a library clip to show you how that works in the recording studio. Now, simply click on Enter Recording Studio. Here you will click Allow to enable your microphone. Next, you will choose a background for your Mespiration. By clicking on the play button, you can listen to each selection. We will continue to add backgrounds on a weekly basis, which will give you the ability to change it when you want to. Once you have found a background that fits your message, click on the name to accept it. You are now in the Mespiration recording studio. The first passage you will be recording appears in the green box. You are now ready to record. Click the red record button and begin to record your message into your computer's microphone. Notice, once the red record button has been clicked, it turns into the stop button to use once you have finished reading this passage. When you click on the red stop button, you will have the choice to listen to it by pressing play. If you like it, you simply hit accept and the system will begin processing the passage that you just recorded. Or you can simply hit the record button again and re-record it. When a recording is accepted, you will see a spinning indicator just below the accept button. You will need to wait until this process is complete before recording your next passage. The time it takes to process will depend upon how long the individual passage was that you recorded. If the next passage is a library clip, you will only need to choose accept, as this has already been recorded. You will record each passage individually. When you accept the passage that you just recorded or a library clip, the next passage will move into the green rectangular box that identifies what you will be recording next. You can keep track of how many separate recordings you have done and how many are left to do here. At any time, you can exit and return later to finish the rest of your recordings. When you record your last passage, we recommend that when you have finished your last word, that you remain quiet and let the counter run out 5 to 10 seconds. Now you will have some music to end your Mespiration. Now click on the Finish button for the system to compile your recording. This may take a few minutes depending on the length of your Mespiration. Then click on Download Recording to download your Mespiration to your computer. From here, your Mespiration can be put on your MP3 player, smartphone, burned to a CD, or listened to right on your computer. We suggest that you do a sample recording to check the level of your voice against the background music. Since the background is a set volume, each user may have to adjust their microphone volume, which is very easy to do. You will use this type of sample recording to make sure your microphone volume is set appropriately. If your microphone does need adjusting, just watch the Adjusting Your Microphone Settings tutorial for assistance with this as well as other recording tips and suggestions. Since your message is archived, your Mespiration will always be there to grow with you and allow you to continue to make the changes you want in your life. To find out more about archiving, go to your account home and choose the tutorial on archiving. Remember, the most important thing is to complete your script, record it, and start listening to your Mespiration every day to begin creating the change you want to see in yourself and in your life.